What's in the box? Remote control key, remote control panel, plug, screws, sticker, manual. The remote control has two modules, the remote control panel and the remote control keys, and they can be used in combination or separately. Each product is paired before sale and is ready to use right out of the box. If you need to pair or unpair, there are detailed tutorials in the manual. Just follow the instructions step by step. Plug into the power supply and then plug in the appliance you want to control to use it. Even if you fix the remote control panel to the wall, you can always remove the remote control keys for use. The remote control uses CR2 of 3 2-button batteries. One battery can be used for 5 to 10 years. The battery inside the remote control can be replaced. From the edge of the remote control key to open the front cover and the back cover, you can see the battery compartment. With a tool to warp the inner cover, remove the waterproof layer. You can remove the battery. Replace the new battery and then install the parts back in order.